Ready? Start. The present appeal arises out of the impugned judgment dated 15/3/2010 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh in criminal appeal number 2298 of 2009, wherein the High Court dismissed the appeal preferred by the appellant herein and upheld the order of the trial court convicting him under section 304B IPC and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years and a fine of rupees 5,000 full stop para. The facts as per the prosecution are as follows. The deceased, daughter of the complainant was engaged to the appellant in 2004 full stop. Subsequent to the engagement, the complainant left for Abu Dhabi in April 2004 and in his absence, the marriage between the appellant and the deceased was solemnized on 23/11/2004 full stop. In 2006, a child was born out of the wedlock full stop para. When the complainant returned from abroad in 2007, the deceased informed him that the mother-in-law, father-in-law, and the appellant husband used to physically assault her pursuant to the demand of dowry full stop. Allegedly, the complainant gave a gold chain to the accused persons full stop. The complainant thereafter went abroad and returned to India on 21/7/2008 full stop. The deceased further disclosed that her in-laws were demanding money for the purchase of a car full stop. However, this time the complainant failed to fulfill the demand full stop para. On 28/8/2008, the father-in-law of the deceased informed the complainant that the deceased has consumed poison and lost her consciousness and was being taken to the hospital full stop. Upon reaching the hospital, the complainant found his daughter to be unconscious full stop. Later that day, she died full stop para. The trial court, wide order dated 3/9/2009, convicted the appellant husband, father-in-law and mother-in-law for the offence under section 304B and sentenced them to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 7 years each and a fine of rupees 5,000 each full stop. In default of payment of fine, the accused persons were directed to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year each full stop para. Aggrieved, the accused persons approached the High Court in appeal full stop. Wide impugned judgment dated 15/3/2010. The High Court acquitted the father-in-law and the mother-in-law but upheld the order of conviction and sentence passed against the accused appellant full stop. Challenging the aforesaid judgment of the High Court, the accused appellant has approached this court full stop para. The counsel appearing on behalf of the accused appellant argued that the courts below have, as a matter of routine, applied the presumption under section 113B of Evidence Act in the instant case, wherein even the basic and essential ingredient of sections 304B IPC are not satisfied full stop. It was submitted that just because the death of the deceased occurred within 7 years of marriage, by no stretch of imagination can it be said that the deceased soon before her death was subjected to cruelty in connection with the demand of dowry full stop para. The fact that the deceased was happy with the appellant is clearly evident, as she lived with him and born his child and never mentioned any harassment or cruelty being meted out by the appellant full stop. Furthermore, the gifts received by the appellant husband were voluntarily given by the complainant and his family full stop. Lastly, without any charges under section 498A IPC, a conviction under section 304B IPC cannot be sustained.